Okay. Hopefully you can see what we've got out here. I mean, it is just blowing and snowing. Even remember last time I saw it like this. Yeah, I can almost, I mean, I can't see the house at the end of the block there. There's a house right at the corner there. You can see it a little bit, barely. I have my scanner on here. I'm sure there's going to be a ton of wrecks. It's a weekday, so there's going to be a lot of people on the road. There's a car coming, I heard it. I thought there was a car coming. I don't know if there is or not. I was going to see if... I don't know. I'm not sure what the temperature is out here at the moment. I think it was supposed to stay between 35 to 20 degrees, 20 for the low, 35 for the high. Yeah, here comes somebody. Yeah, he made it up. That's starting to light up now. There's another car coming. Yeah, I guess the hills aren't iced over. Oh yeah, it quit blowing now. It was just a few seconds. It's almost nothing now. Oh, you can actually see blue sky now. Look at that. That is weird. It went from very little visibility, now you got blue sky. Yeah, that's weather in Kentucky.